COVID-19 killed 150 American kids in 2024, and Robert F. Kennedy Jr.'s policies will kill even more American children. Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr., the Department of Health and Human Services, HHS, has removed COVID-19 vaccines from the recommended immunization schedule for healthy children and pregnant women. Watch him share medically unsupported disinformation about the COVID-19 vaccine here.
FDA Commissioner Dr. Marty Makary. I couldn't be more pleased to announce that as of today, the COVID vaccine for healthy children and healthy pregnant women has been removed from the CDC recommended immunization schedule. Last year, the Biden administration urged healthy children to get yet another COVID shot despite the lack of any clinical data to support the repeat booster strategy in children.
That was a lie. Here are the facts. In 2024, in America, about 165,000 people were hospitalized with COVID-19 and 40,000 people died. About 4.3% of COVID-19 hospitalizations occurred in children. So much for the persistent myth that children are not impacted by the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. And about 50% of children less than 4 years old who were hospitalized or died from COVID-19 were otherwise healthy. I don't understand why Americans are allowing Robert F. Kennedy Jr. to lie to them about how healthy children aren't impacted by COVID. About 150 children died from COVID-19. Most were less than 4 years old. Why is this acceptable to Americans? I don't understand. About 1 in 5 children hospitalized with COVID were admitted to the intensive care unit. And remember, half of these kids were otherwise healthy before they got COVID-19. More young children died from COVID than died from influenza in the US last year. So much for the tired and false argument that COVID-19 is just the flu. A disproportionate number of children who died from COVID were less than 6 months old. I don't understand why more people don't care about babies dying of a vaccine-preventable illness. Vaccines save lives. The COVID-19 vaccine in particular has saved millions of lives all around the world. More than 90% of children who were hospitalized or died from COVID weren't vaccinated. On April 15, 2025, 1 month before Robert F. Kennedy's bizarre announcement, Dr. Fiona Havers from the CDC presented data to the Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices, ACIP, an independent group of experts that advises the CDC on vaccines. Kennedy is ignoring the medical science and the realities in the U.S. More children will die as the direct result of his vaccine disinformation. Robert F. Kennedy Jr. has been named part of the disinformation dozen. Researchers have found just 12 people are responsible for the bulk of the misleading claims and outright lies about COVID-19 vaccines. Robert F. Kennedy Jr. leads the list. Please get vaccinated and vaccinate your children.